Welcome to Two Girls and Two Cats.
देखो हम कहाँ हैं? This feels so strange.
Yeah, this is such a strange setting. It's a strange. We are trying something for the first time in India, is what I hear. Why did I say India?
Is it
India?
first time in India?
Yes.
Are we stating right facts?
We have with us this thing over here. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
No reaction. Hello.
अरे सुनाई देता है बहरा नहीं हूँ मैं
Calm down.
What are we calling him? Mr. Kapoor.
Why are you saying it's not a him?
I've always wanted to sit with a man.
Go home. You have a husband. He's not a man?
Another man.
यस
I like men.
Okay.
Isn't that reason enough? No. Welcome to another episode of Master Debaters, where we debate and we have arguments about very serious issues in the world, like whether fries are better than hot dogs, or if water itself is bad for health. Like very interesting subjects like
What is
that.
the worst?
We address subjects very
Yes.
interesting.
And today's subject हमने सोचा दुनिया में दो तरीके के लोग होते हैं, ठीक है? हिंदू and
बस कर
sorry, can't say that. दो तरीके के लोग.
Okay, दो तरीके के लोग could be like fair and what's your problem?
It's just smiling. दो तरीके के लोग होते हैं. iPhone and that I can say.
What is an Android?
Exactly. We are the iPhone people. No, but दो तरीके के लोग होते हैं. Can you guess? Cat people and
Dog people.
who is the cat person and the dog person is very clear here.
Yeah.
So we thought let's master debate on who's better,
Yeah.
cat people or dog people, and let's go. I'm ready to beat your ass.
I think as much as this topic sounds frivolous, it is very important and the need of the hour to be talking about two kinds of people. One that thinks that it needs a standing ovation for existing, and the other that exists and is happy with everything in life. And I feel like dog people are those people who are just happy in life. You know, if you meet a dog person, you know they're a dog person because they're happy.
But is their
You know,
dog happy?
I'm talking. That's the problem with cat people. They think that they can just meow in the middle when you're talking.
Okay.
And they'll just keep going meow, meow. At least when dogs make different sounds. Dogs bark, dogs squeal, dogs
You're
yell.
just stating facts about dogs.
Dogs make very like moaning sounds, like they're different sounds. But cats do one thing. They do meh,
No, they
meh.
don't.
And even when they're horny, you know when cats are horny, you know how they cry? They cry like this. Why would anyone want to have sex with you, cat? Yeah.
Is that
What
your
do you
first?
have to
Is
say
that
now?
your first argument?
Yes.
Okay, couple of things. I was noting down what you were saying.
Mm-hmm.
Number one, cats don't make just one sound. It's not meh, they purr. Okay, and
Okay,
purring
make
sounds
the
like
sound.
prrrr.
That's so annoying, guys.
Okay. The second thing that you said were that dog people are happy. No, I know a lot of miserable, depressive people
That's
who
because
have
you
dogs.
know them. As soon as you met them, they became those people.
You
They
were
were
having
not
your
those people.
You
before
were
that.
having your medicines before I met you. Do
I
not
had stopped
lie.
my medicines when I met you. After I met you,
Exactly,
I
because
had
you
to.
were going back. You were.
I had stopped my medicines before I met you.
You're
When
just
I
saying it.
met you, I went back onto them.
You were just saying it for effect, but I know that you've been on a medication before that, and I don't know why I'm telling the audience this. But anyway, okay, so dog people are not always happy. The dogs pretend like they are happy, but I think that's the only thing they know how to feel. Cats, on the other hand, are emotionally so much more intelligent. They have a variety of emotions. They are not just like, oh my God, I'm so happy to see you. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh man, no, they are excited also, and then they are like, you know, like sad also, and they have like different emotions because they're emotionally intelligent.
Variety of
They make-
emotions.
yes.
Did you just say variety of emotions? Please tell me the different emotions that cats have. Please tell me. Please tell me.
If your partner was, if you could
No.
choose
First, you tell me the different emotions that cats have. Huh?
anger,
Okay, show me the anger. Huh. Then show me happiness. Cat's happiness. Isn't it the same as anger?
no.
Of course it is.
No, it's not. Have you been around cats? Cats are very. They
Cats-
choose to.
Cats
express
are
their
Katrina
emotions.
Kaif.
Guys,
Now
I
can
swear
see.
that I requested Sushi to take a bath today morning, but clearly she hasn't because there are makkis on our set. Right?
But you know how a cat would react to a makhi? What a dog would do is play with it. A cat would kill it and wonder, why isn't it playing with me?
What
Because
would
you've
you-
killed it. But you know what a dog would do? A dog would be like,
Okay, you don't know
"Love
anything
you.
about cats.
Love you, makhi.
Excuse, cats don't kill it, they play with it.
Yeah, after they kill it.
No. They kill it slowly. Medieval times में यूरोप में प्लेग प्रिवेंट किया था किसने? डॉग्स ने नहीं, कैट्स ने, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो रोडेंट्स थे उनको मार दिया था. वरना तुम्हारे ना अभी पैंट्स में रैट्स होते अगर कैट्स नहीं होते. मेरे घर में कभी रैट्स नहीं होते बिकॉज आई हैव 2 cats. It's the cleanest household ever. Cats are actually very, very good. They prevent diseases by killing these rodents. My friend, okay, has 2 dogs, big dogs. I went to their house and the dogs, of course, jump on you for no reason and they're like bigger than you, these dogs. Anyway, so this friend is telling me a story. What has happened? Like 15 minutes before I have gone to their house, they had taken the dogs for a walk. Okay, the dogs have gone for a walk and now in the middle of their walk, they have seen shit on the road. Okay, it's another dog's shit. They have gone and they ate it. They ate the shit. Okay, they ate another dog's shit.
So, what's
Stupid.
not palatable
Now-
to you could be palatable to them.
नहीं झूठ बोल रहा है
Great for the dogs. Now what they have done is these dogs are actually going for a walk to the wet. So they have gone to the wet and they know the wet, right? So they get excited to see the wet. So after eating that shit, they have gone and pounced on the wet and licked her face.
So?
And she has enjoyed it. And the owner is just like, I don't know if I should tell this vet that ये dogs ने अभी just 2 seconds पहले किसी और का poop खाया है. I was listening to this story and I was like, thank God, I will never be a dog person. I will never be because they are just disgusting.
But then you can't bathe your cat, na?
You don't need
Those
to.
activities that you want to, experience with your pet, like walking, like bathing, like, playing with a ball, playing fetch, your cat will never play with you.
If I had to choose my partner to be one of these, it had to be a cat. They're
Okay.
cheaper, less maintenance. They clean themselves, they poop and pee themselves. I don't have to take my husband for a
What
walk.
makes you think they're cheaper?
Their maintenance is because you don't need to send them to a spa, na, and make
I
them
don't
bathe
send
and
my
all.
dog to a spa.
That is just you because you're disgusting. Other people send their dogs to the spa.
You can give them a bath yourself.
But I don't even need to bathe my cats.
You know what's the most
so
expensive
you will
thing
bathe
about...
your partner? You will
Of
bathe your
course I
partner.
will. That is the most fun thing to do with your partner, to
Are you
bathe your
listening?
partner.
She's going to bathe her partner.
Wouldn't you like to bathe your partner?
अरे
Do you have a partner?
I don't think so.
Dogs are more useful than cats.
How?
Dogs sniff out drugs. They sniff out chores. They are used as security. Police उनको 4 तोपों की सलामी मिलती है. 4, 7. कितने?
कितने?
5. कितने तोपों की सलामी मिलती है?
उसको
जब
कोई
एक
idea
कुत्ता मरता है ना, उसके लिए बेरियल ग्राउंड है. कैट्स के लिए है कोई बेरियल ग्राउंड? नहीं है, क्योंकि कैट्स वेरी सेल्फ सफिशिएंट ना, खुद को बेरी करेंगे ना मरने
Cats
के
have
बाद.
9 lives, excuse me, वो मरते ही नहीं है. They're agile, okay? They're so agile कि वो mid air में twist होके अपने पैरों पे land
और तुम्हें ये क्यों पता? क्योंकि तुम इतनी वियर्ड हो, तुमने फेंका होगा अपने कैट को. क्योंकि लोग जो कैट लोग भी होते हैं ना, कैट पीपल who like cats are also weird. Most of the, if you go online and do research, most criminals, most serial killers, they have all been cat people. Don't fuck with cats. That man was a cat person until he started killing cats.
That is so ridiculous.
It is
That
true.
is so not true. Where did
It
you
is
get this
true.
information from?
Online.
Online where? ChatGPT?
Routers.
What the hell is routers? तू जो पेंट्स जाती है और तू जो ताड़ोबा जाती है, तू कुत्ते देखने जाती है उधर.
Good point.
क्योंकि cats exquisite होती हैं. जो
Exactly.
tigers है, they are all cat family.
Exquisite
because
होते
they
हैं
are
और उनको
like
जंगल में रहना चाहिए. उन्हें हमारे सिविलाइजेशन में आने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि उनको पड़ी ही नहीं है हमारी. वो हमारे कोई काम की नहीं है. Do you know dogs can smell time?
How do you know that?
It's research. Dogs experience the world through scent layers. As smells fade through the day, they can estimate how long someone has been gone.
What? So even cats can smell. They have a sense of smell which is very
No,
strong.
it's
Yeah.
not as strong as dogs.
So what?
So what?
You know, cats are art.
Do you know dogs understand
Cats are like
hand gestures, but cats don't?
cats.
So if you tell a cat, udhar dekh, they'll be like,
No, that's not true. I have
But if you
trained
tell
my
a dog, udhar dekh, वो udhar देखेगा.
cat- नहीं वो तू अपने cat को बोलता है dog को बोलती है उधर देखो उधर देखती है.
नहीं. Don't get personal. I'm not talking about my dog.
Your dog is not a dog only. Your dog is a cat.
Don't get
Mashu-
personal.
Mashu का video
Tell her
डालना
don't
पड़ेगा.
get personal. Tell her. You are moderator. What are you doing?
This is moderator.
Don't
He's
get
saying don't get personal.
Personal.
Do you know when you cry, a cat will keep sleeping. A dog will come and sense your tears, lick your tears,
That's
and
so
say,
weird,
"Don't
man.
cry,
When I'm-
don't cry, mama, don't cry."
When I'm crying, I don't want anyone licking my tears. That's just invasion of privacy. Like I want to cry my heart out. My cat, you know what it does? Cat will come and sit on your chest and purr, which is a very calming thing for your
Like a
nervous
vibration on your chest. That's what you want.
system. It's a frequency. There is research on it. It is a frequency
Where is
that
this
is known
research?
to on the internet. Cats come and sit on your chest and they purr, okay? And that calms your nervous system.
Acha?
And it sends positive vibrations.
Next time you're sad, I will come and sit and vibrate on your chest. Now you wait.
You don't have the mechanism the cat does.
I have.
Dogs don't have that. Cats का प्यार ना earn करना पड़ता है तो थोड़ा meaningful लगता है. वो ना किसी के भी ऐसे पूछ ला के टांगे
तुम
ला के-
अगर कितना-
किसी के घर में नहीं किसी के घर में चोर आ रहा है ठीक है और कुत्ता चोर को ही and it's like wagging his tail and all. I mean that's just so stupid.
Love is love.
You can't love the burglar ना. You have
You
to.
can love. They are very empathetic people. They must be like,
They're not
चोर
people.
हो तुम किसी रीजन से चोरी कर रहे होंगे ना, इतना एम्पैथी है उनमें, वो जज नहीं करते तुम्हारे कैट्स की तरह. कैट्स बहुत जजमेंटल होते हैं. ऊपर से तुम उनका सारा खाने का पैसा दे रहे हो, तुम उनको
तो तुम भी
सब
दे रहे हो.
कुछ. एक मिनट, कंप्लीट लेट मी लेट मी
She's yelling
कंप्लीट.
at me. Will you tell her to shut up?
चिल्लाओ मत.
She can't
मेरी
hear.
नहीं
Thank
है
you.
वो.
मैं कह रही हूँ कि तुमने उसको खाना दिया, तुमने उसको सब कितना सारा कैट प्रूफिंग वैट प्रूफिंग सब तुमने पैसे खर्च किए उस पे, not so that he can sit in one corner and judge you. If I'm getting a pet in my life, I want it to be with me and want me and love me and protect me and validate me and follow me around. I want that. That's what I'm paying for. If I am paying for something, I should get something in return. It's like paying for clothes that you're not going to wear.
That's not true.
It's true.
Your dogs have no sense of privacy, boundary, nothing. They will just.
Why would
jump
you
on
want
your-
privacy from someone you've paid to have?
You know, people. So you've paid your dog only to validate all your emotions.
Of course.
That is so.
Of course.
Cats are so much more deeper.
You
They are
have
so
to
much
beg
more-
your cat. Please मेरे पास आ जा. Please मुशु. Please हॉली. हॉली तो ऐसी ही है. हॉली
फिर
तो
जब
आती
वो
ही नहीं.
आता है, जो वो इमोशन फील होता है ना, तुम्हें कभी डॉग लोगों
So
को
you
feel नहीं हो
like
सकता.
you like love bombers basically. You
Love
like people
bombers?
who will not respect you, will not love
Cats
you.
don't
And then because one एक जो तुम्हें एक flower क्या दे दिया, तुम पिघल गई. Toxic relationship में हो तुम.
टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप वो होता है जहाँ पे तू उस पे चिल्ला रही है फिर भी वो तुझे चाट रहा है. That is toxic. Okay.
That is lovely. That is beautiful. How is that toxic? Social media पे तुमने कभी भी कोई cat profile देखा है?
हाँ.
सारे dog profiles होते हैं. Cat profiles are, you know what cat profiles are? Cat profiles are cats being fucking mean. Dogs are cute. Today I showed you an image of a
सबसे
dog
ज़्यादा
flying from
viral-
the sky like that, and you're like, oh le. You can't
सबसे
feel like
ज्यादा
that about
वायरल
cats.
वीडियोस ऑन द इंटरनेट आर ऑफ कैट्स.
Cats, yeah, cats hitting babies, cats scratching kids, cats killing babies,
Cats don't discriminate.
and cats being put in plastic bags.
That's a documentary. Cats were worshipped, guys. There was an entire civilization in Egypt. Egyptian civilization worshipped
Civilization.
cats. Civilization. She's getting personal again. Tell her to shut up.
बस
Civilization actually worshipped cats. Cats कहाँ होती थी? उनके temples के अंदर. Dogs कहाँ होते थे? बाहर guard गेट पे गार्ड होते थे वो. ठीक है?
Who was
Okay,
making
wait one
these
second. I'm not
cats
done. I'm not done.
Okay, but I want to reply to this point. Then you say next point.
Okay,
na?
say.
I want to say that who are these people, these medieval Egyptians who were mummifying and worshipping these cats? Why didn't you ever look at those people and think they're crazy?
Why would I?
That's crazy. It's mad. It's madness.
So you're calling an entire Egyptian civilization mad?
Yes, I am.
Wow.
They were crazy.
Wow.
They were
वो-
mummifying cats.
हजार-
I think anyone that
Wow.
mummifies anything is problematic because you don't know how to let go.
मतलब पूरी civilization पागल थी, लेकिन ये
हाँ.
सही है. ये पागल नहीं है, guys.
Problematic होते हैं cat people, problematic होते हैं, they can't let go, firstly they don't express anything, लेकिन जब confrontation की बात आती है तब वो लोग ऐसे defensive हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग कभी express ही नहीं करते ना, अपने में
question
बंद
for
रहते हैं, इसलिए ऐसी अजीब अजीब चीजें करते हैं, जैसे taxidermy, mummifying, कि मैं alive रखूंगी. एक औरत थी medieval Egyptian ही होगी वो, उसने अपने कैट को टैक्सीडर्म किया है और रखा है साइड पे अपने साथ. उसका असली बाल, it's just so weird. She did that, and of course she's a cat lady because she did that shit.
So
She's weird. So see, that's the problem. She doesn't even know it's a problem.
it's true love. She just loved the cat. She wanted the cat to be with her forever. I get it, lady.
See how problematic they are.
My last point is going to be that cats actually take much lesser space in your house also, and dogs take the fucking entire bed sometimes. And if my partner was taking lesser space, I would be more happy. So if my partner was a cat, I would be more happy because my partner would be cheaper in maintenance, more elegant, more art-like, like French cinema, and not like just some raggedy thing running around the house. It would be emotionally intelligent. It would be more beautiful. Cats are more beautiful for sure. It would be clean. Okay, I would like my husband clean or my partner clean. It would be. That's it. You talk about dog, na? You say, you summarize what you have to say
if
about
my
dog.
partner was a dog, yes, he would be expensive. But that's because we have expensive taste. Also, we are humble, and we are not humble, we are generous. We want to spend our money on things that we love. Whereas cat people are just misers. They may have all the money in the world, but they don't want to take care of people and things that they bring into their homes. Okay. Thirdly, dogs. I'm going to repeat my point. You're paying so much money to keep them. They better give you all the love you deserve. And then you tell them to fuck off, and because they can get trained, cats, you can't train them. You
Excuse
can
me?
Don't! I did not interrupt you. Cats cannot be
Cats are
trained.
poop and pee trained.
They
You don't have to take them for
pee
walks.
and poop in the house inside that UFO-like thing, and then they
You
hide
also
it.
poop and
They
pee in the
hide
house
it
in
like
the
it's like top secret, like confidential, like the government may have it. Oh my shit!
What
oh,
the fuck?
Shut up! Just go outside, pee, poop. We scoop it. We are clean. We come back home. Home and toilet is not the same. You cannot poop inside your home. You have to poop
Where do you
outside.
poop? You poop in the
Bathroom.
toilet which is in your home. Yeah, so you can keep the cat pooping thing in the
Yeah,
bathroom.
but
and
you
go in the bathroom
don't.
only.
Most people don't. You enter the house and it stinks.
It
of
never
cat
stinks. Cats
litter.
never stink.
It does. Their shit stinks.
No.
Okay. I am not even talking to you. I am talking to the camera. If my partner was a dog, I would get all the attention. I would get loyalty. I would get empathy. I would get lots of physical intimacy and emotional intimacy. I would
No
also
emotional
get
intimacy.
activities.
No
I would
emotional
also.
intimacy.
He would also get a job because he has so many skills to be able to earn money. Cats can never. They think they're doing you a favor by existing. They will never get a job, lazy fucks. Dogs can get jobs. They
What
can
is wrong
save
with
the
them?
world. They can save you. They can help the fucking government from exposing hardened criminals. Cats can only do
This
and
is like a
mimic
dog
people and
behavior.
slap people
ज़्यादा
with
बोलना
their
है,
stupid
sense नहीं
sharp
बोलना।
claws.
ज़्यादा बोलना है, sense नहीं
So
बोलना है.
I
That's like
would
a dog.
love
A
to
cat
have
has
a
set
dog
of
as a
points.
partner because at least my dog will protect me from thieves.
Your dog
run
will
back
protect you.
and fuck you.
Your dog will protect you.
Yes.
Mashu is going to let people
Don't
in the
get
house.
personal.
अरे
Don't talk about my cat. My dog.
Your dog
Because
is a cat.
she's a cat.
But I have to say that pee and poop training करना पड़ता है, and they have less hair, they're less smelly, they're sexier, they're cheaper and
ये
better.
पढ़
return
के
on
बोलना
investment,
पड़ता है
they're
क्योंकि
tiny,
अंदर से feeling
they
नहीं आ रही
live long-
उसको.
They live longer, so
अंदर
less
से-
heartbreak.
अंदर
Okay?
से feeling नहीं आ रही, इसको पढ़ना पड़ रहा है ये सब. समझ रहे हो?
Srishti cannot go anywhere. Srishti cannot go anywhere because of her dog. Because you have to walk.
No,
and-
I can take my dog anywhere.
Srishti cannot go
There are
anywhere.
so many pet
Okay,
friendly properties.
I think we're done.
There are so many.
Guys,
One
cat
second,
and
let
dog,
me
no,
finish.
time is
I
up.
want to 1 second, 1 moment. 1 moment. You can take your dog anywhere because there are pet friendly properties. You cannot take your cat anywhere. They don't want to go. They will go hide in a suitcase. I remember my friend galti se locked her cat up in a suitcase because she's a cat person. She's a fucking dumb chutia. She locked her because they want to get
Guys,
into
I
boxes,
think-
they want to get into corners, and if you lock them, then they cry and or they die.
I just want to say that debating with a dog person was the biggest mistake because they are so
Comments में
stupid
बताना,
and
guys.
so dumb. Their points are so stupid. Yeah, Mr. Kapoor, you agree? Mr. Kapoor, do you agree? Mr. Kapoor is zoned out.
There are only dog people in this room, guys.
Yeah, because dog
Clearly,
people are
even if
common.
they don't want to
Cat
say it,
people are exclusive. Okay, bye. I like to be exclusive and not like commoners. So bye, guys. We are going to continue Master Debaters. It's a sort of like a new IP that we've created. We'll talk about other things and like, share, subscribe, join multiple organisms. And if you find this cool, tell us. Tell us. Tell us. Bye.
Also, think about why cats are called pussies.
Yeah, they're called pussies for a reason.
Because they stink.
Love you. Pussies don't stink, you idiot.
They do.
Does yours stink?
Yours does.
अरे
We can cut, guys. This was so stupid.
एक कमेंट
क्या कर रहे हो?
क्या कर रहे हो?
वीडियो अच्छा लगा?
अच्छा तो लगा होगा, वरना अभी तक यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचते तुम?
देखा ना.
कमेंट ना, लिटिल एंगेजमेंट,
सब्सक्राइब किया
सब्सक्राइब किया, मेंबर्स ओनली जस्ट 59 रुपीस एंड VIP 499.
and share
शेयर ना विथ योर ग्रुप्स एंड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स एंड
and multiple organisms join के
हाँ,
Instagram.
मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे है, उस पे जाना.
और हम हॉटलाइन पे हमें कॉल किया.
अरे रोसेश करना,
रोसेश,
अनुपम क्या कर रहा है, खाना बाद में खा करना.
तू अनुपम से क्यों बात कर रही है?
अरे राजेश, अभी नहीं मिलना है श्रीजा से, तू पहले करना.
Oh my God, what are these names?
चैताली
ए, like, share, subscribe ना. बहुत
क्या कर रही है?
सृष्टि,
Subscribe कर.
shut up.
Love you.